In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Dev Mode MCP server on Figma. By the end, you'll have Figma connected to Cursor through the Model Context Protocol, so your editor can securely reference Dev Mode details like layers, measurements, and components while you code. Before we begin, make sure you're on a recent version of Cursor and signed in to your Figma account. Having a browser and the Figma desktop app ready will make this smoother. First, open Cursor Docs by going to cursor.com/docs in your browser. This is the official documentation hub, and it includes a catalog of MCP servers. Think of these as connectors that let Cursor talk to the tools you already use. MCP, or Model Context Protocol, is the bridge that brings external context into your editor in a controlled, permissioned way. In the left sidebar of the docs site, find the Customizing section and click MCP. You'll land on a page that explains how MCP works and lists available servers you can enable. If the list is long or you don't immediately spot Figma, use the search field on that page and type Figma. The servers list filters as you type, which makes it easy to locate the official Figma entry. When you see the Figma server, click Add to Cursor. Your browser may ask to open Cursor or confirm the handoff. Approve that prompt. This action registers the Figma Dev Mode MCP server in Cursor and kicks off the connection flow. Figma will then be prompted to open. In the window that appears, click Connect to the app. This simply allows Cursor to read Dev Mode information. It won't modify your files. If you're working in a team environment, this helps Cursor pull accurate specs directly from source of truth designs. Next, you'll be asked to authorize the connection. Review the permissions, then continue to authorize. If your organization uses SSO or has extra verification, follow those prompts until you see confirmation. Give it a moment to finish. Back in Cursor, the Figma server should now show up under your MCP or tools list, indicating it's ready to use. From here, you're all set. If the server doesn't appear right away, try refreshing the docs page, toggling the MCP view in Cursor, or restarting the app. If you work across multiple Figma accounts, confirm you authorized the correct one. You can always revoke or disconnect later from your Figma account settings. Congratulations! You've set up the Dev Mode MCP server for Figma. With this connection in place, you can stay in your editor, reference real design data, and ship pixel-accurate interfaces faster. Thanks for watching, and happy building!